Hey everyone, Nomad Flair here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a detailed review of the Bigme B751C e-reader. This device stands out in the crowded e-reader market with its advanced features, such as its note-taking capabilities, clever AI integration, and most notably, its 7-inch Kaleido 3-color e-ink display. After using it extensively for 3 weeks, I'm here to share everything you need to know from the unboxing experience to its features, performance, and my overall verdict. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The Bigme B751C arrives in a sleek premium packaging that immediately gives you a sense of quality. Once you slide off the sleeve, you're greeted with 2 separate boxes. One contains a protective case, which is a fantastic inclusion, saving you the trouble of purchasing one separately. This case comes equipped with the signature Bigme holder strap, offering a secure and comfortable grip. Inside, it features a smooth, soft lining that protects the back and the screen of your e-reader. Its sleek, non-bulky design makes it perfect for all hand sizes, ensuring easy portability and hassle-free storage. The second box houses the device itself, alongside a warranty card, a startup guide, and a USB-C charging cable, extra stylus tips, and of course, the stylus pen itself. The stylus feels sturdy and well built and feels super comfy in the hand, with functional side buttons that we'll explore later. To my surprise, the stylus requires a battery to function. While it would have been more convenient if it was charged automatically when docked on the e-reader, it's worth noting that this isn't a tablet, so it is understandable. The e-reader itself has a modern and minimalist design, with the power button and speaker at the top, page-turning buttons on the sides, and a USB-C charging port and micro SD card slot at the bottom for expandable storage. The metal side frame is impressively fingerprint resistant, which is a fantastic touch. Meanwhile, the back features a sleek, glossy shine that enhances the overall aesthetic of the e-color reader. The centerpiece of this device is its 7-inch Kaleido 3-color e-ink display, which offers a resolution of 1264 by 1680 pixels, with a refresh rate of up to 12 frames per second. This display is perfect for more than just regular books. It truly shines when used for graphic novels, comics, and any material that benefits from color. The build quality is excellent and the device feels robust without being too heavy, making it comfortable to hold for extended reading sessions. The Bigme offers 2 home screen styles. You have the tablet style with the app centered and a row along the bottom, and secondly, the office style, which features a vertical sidebar for easy navigation. Now let's talk features and specifications. Under the hood, the Bigme B751C is powered by a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB with a micro SD card. It runs on Android 11, giving you access to the Google Play Store. This means you can easily download your favorite reading apps like Kindle, Libby, or social media apps like YouTube, X, and Instagram. Within the Settings app, you can connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling the use of wireless headphones for music or audiobooks. Stylus calibration is a crucial upon setup to ensure smooth and accurate handwriting. To calibrate pressure sensitivity, hold both side buttons whilst pressing on the screen for 5 seconds, and wait for the pen's red light to flash twice. The side buttons can be customized for functions like volume control or page navigation. The settings also include options like sleep and shutdown duration, language selection, and gesture controls for navigation, such as swiping to return home or moving through menus. On the home screen, swiping down on the right opens a drop-down menu. Here you can take screenshots of the screen, record the screen, and also enable split-screen note-taking. There's also the option to Miracast and more. You can toggle between lighting modes based on the time of day, with night mode being easy on the eyes and sleep-friendly. The device also allows for volume adjustments and background app management to free up RAM and boost performance. While it's possible to run apps like YouTube and Instagram, keep in mind that the e-ink display isn't optimized for high refresh rate content. That said, the device does feature X-Rapid Fast Refresh technology with a refresh rate of up to 12 frames per second. I rarely use this for watching videos or browsing social media, only doing so if my phone's battery was dead or out of reach. In the X launcher, there are various settings that you can optimize to improve the visual performance. For smoother video playback or scrolling through social media, setting the refresh rate to fast or extreme is ideal. You can also enable auto clean to remove any ghosting on the screen. Later on, I'll be showing you how to manually clear that when needed. Other settings allow adjustments for contrast, color brightness, and more, tailored to your use. Most buyers will likely use the Bigme for reading comics and graphic novels. I was genuinely impressed with the vivid colors of the e-paper reader. It truly brings the images to life. While it doesn't match the vibrant display of an iPad, remember, this isn't a tablet. For everyday reading, the Bigme delivers a fantastic experience when using it on the Kindle app or other reading apps. The page-turning buttons are conveniently placed and customizable for left or right-handed users. To move the buttons to the right side, simply enable screen rotation and flip the device upside down, placing the buttons conveniently on the right. The app supports standard features like highlighting keywords, finding definitions, translating words, and even highlighting in different colors for better organization. While the Bigme doesn't currently offer a built-in dark mode, you can enable it through the Kindle app. Hopefully, a future update will add this feature to the device itself. If ghosting appears on the screen while reading, tap the circle icon and select Screen Refresh to clear it. Another fantastic feature is split screen, allowing you to read on one side and take notes on the other. Notes can be written in various colors and exported. Though this feature isn't compatible with all apps, luckily it works with the Kindle app. For those not using third-party apps, the Bigme's dedicated library lets you read and annotate directly on the screen, providing a seamless experience. One of the standout aspects of this device is its smart features, which extend its functionality beyond being just an e-reader. It supports global handwriting recognition, allowing you to annotate PDFs and EPUB files with ease. The Meeting Records app is a game changer for professionals, enabling voice-to-text transcription and even summarizing notes using AI with just one tap. Speaking of AI, the device is equipped with Bigme GPT 4.0, an assistant that can help with tasks like Q&A, content creation, and even generating drawings. The note-taking app deserves special mention. It includes features like layers, lasso tools, and over 100 templates to keep your ideas organized. Writing with the Bigme pen is a joy. The pen is responsive with minimal lag and offers several tools for note-taking and drawing, including erasers, lassos, and precision mark pens. The device supports over 20 file formats via the SL Reader app and even includes dual-page opening modes for those who prefer a more traditional book layout. I also use the Bigme to listen to audiobooks, either out loud using the inbuilt speakers or using headphones. Another promising feature is voice translation, which could be incredibly useful when traveling abroad. However, as of now, it supports only a limited number of languages, primarily Chinese. Hopefully, future updates will expand its capabilities. After 3 weeks of use, the battery life has been solid, lasting several days on a single charge, though the color display does consume more power than standard black and white Eink screens. In terms of price, the Bigme B751C is usually $280, but it's currently available for £100 less during this Black Friday sale. So, what's the verdict? After 3 weeks with the Bigme B751C, I can confidently say it's one of the most versatile e-readers out there. Its vibrant color display, ergonomic design, and productivity features make it a standout device. While there are minor drawbacks like the battery-powered stylus, limited voice translation, and a higher price point, it still offers excellent value. Whether you're into graphic novels, note-taking, or need a feature-packed e-reader, the Bigme B751C is worth considering. So, what do you think? Does this device have what you're looking for in an e-reader? Let me know down in the comments section below. Also, if you did reach the end of the video, comment Bigme and I'll be sure to give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.